Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, remove the background, the red color, enable button on, adjust the photo. Then select the text option, edit by written, select the size option, adjust the size, select the stop button, enable button on, adjust the color and then select the font option, adjust the font, copy the letters, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, then save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.